Hello. As you guys are creating your courses, some of you from scratch or editing your projects, I want to show you how to view it as your mock student and get that set up so that way you can see what a student sees on any of your courses. I also, at the end of this video, want to show you several different options for viewing student data, likely to be used like in a mentoring session, and you want to pull up and see everything that's going on in the students' academics. Those would be helpful tips and tricks at the end. But for your mock student, it's very simple. You would go to Educator Tools on the left, your mock student views, and you will see any courses that your mock student is currently attached to. You can disable courses you no longer want to see, or you can add courses by clicking the Enable More Courses button. Go through the steps and you have access to any course that's part of our curriculum, and you can attach your mock student to it. Once you have everything all set up, you can view it by click Start Viewing, of course, and this is exactly what a student sees. Go to the year, and you will see all of your courses. I only have one attached to mine, but if you had four, they would be all there under each other, and you could click in and see what it sees as a student. Keep in mind, you do have to, like if you've assigned a project, you do have to assign that project to your mock student. So if you're just setting it up and you've already assigned your project, you might have to go back to your course and assign that project to your mock student before you can see anything in your courses. To exit the view, there's a link at the top for your convenience. And of course, you can get to the mock student view at any time from the bottom left menu. You click View as my mock student, and it will bring you to that mock student view page. When you want to view student data, or if you want to view your course as a specific student, not your mock student, you can go down to the bottom left menu and click View As, and you can type in any student. So they don't have to be in your class. Again, great for mentoring if you want to see exactly what's going on in a student's academics, and you can just click anything, just a reason there, and it will pull up that specific student view. If you go to their year view page, it will show all of their courses, and then the progress tab is where you would see their grades if they had any to be put in here. I love that you can also see activity. So if a student tells you that they turned something in and they're just waiting on the teacher to grade it, you can actually check that here, because you can see they requested feedback. It would also say if they submitted a final product, etc., or received feedback on something. To get out of this view, you click Stop Viewing from the bottom left menu, and it will take you back to the teacher view. If you don't want to go in as the student, you can see student progress at any time on the Student Progress option to the left. You click the grade level of the student that you want to view, and you can see this is a really cool view. I'll probably do a whole nother screencast on it. You can see lots of things here. But if I wanted to see a student, then I could just type in their name, pull it up, and I could see everything that I was just seeing as the student, but without logging in as them. I can go to their year view from the top bar. I can see their progress, where their grades are, and then I could just go back to the home page. I don't have to stop viewing as him because I'm just looking at his data. Anyway, lots of different options. Let me know if you have any questions as you start getting in and looking at those things.